Hey guys, welcome back to the Passport Snob channel. In this week's episode of Pandemic Trip Ideas, we're going to be covering luxury staycations. If you're new to our channel, thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and the notification bell. If you're a returning Passport Snob, welcome back. We love seeing you guys come back each and every week. So stay tuned as we cover luxury staycations.
The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, wake up and...
So as I mentioned in the onset, guys, we are going to be discussing luxury staycations. And the reason why we chose this as a pandemic trip idea is because we know that there is an influx of COVID cases right around the corner. It's flu season, it's fall, and while we may want to travel, we may not be able to do so like we want to. So this is the perfect pandemic trip idea because you can either stay home or you can find a luxury hotel in your area where you don't have to really go anywhere, but you're not at home. If you haven't checked out our How to Plan a Trip 101 series yet, please do. That series will be so helpful in helping you plan the perfect luxury staycation. I'll give you a couple of pointers in this video, but that guide will help you more in depth on how to plan your luxury staycation. So like I mentioned, you can do two different types of luxury staycations. You can either literally stay at home, or you can stay within your city and or state and just get a luxury hotel room. So let's talk about the first option. How can your luxury staycation at home be luxury? Well, the important part about a staycation is that you don't do any work, you don't do any chores. You literally are on vacation, but just in your home. So the perfect way to turn it into a luxurious environment is hire a chef, hire a masseuse. This would also be the perfect time to take on some projects that you've been wanting to do, but you just never seem to have enough time. I personally always want to paint and I have the supplies to do so, but I'm always just so busy. I never really have the time. So if I were planning me a luxury staycation, I would plan my own paint and sip at home, and also maybe hire a chef to come in and cook for me so that I don't have to do it. Because when I'm on vacation, I don't like to cook. And of course, the greatest part of all about a luxury staycation is, especially if you're staying at home, is that you're not spending money on transportation or housing or, wherever you're gonna stay. So you literally have the money that you would use to do those things to, like I said, hire a chef or hire a masseuse or hire someone to do your cleaning for you. Whatever it is that your heart desires, you would be able to do just like if you were anywhere else. Now, on the flip side of that, you can also get a luxury hotel in your same city or state as a luxury staycation. Now, for me, I live in a small city, but we do have a downtown area. And of course, this is where, in my opinion, the most fancy hotels are. So if I were planning a luxury staycation, I would probably choose the most expensive hotel, someplace that I would never be able to stay on a normal basis. And because I don't have the cost of transportation, I would take that money and put it into my housing costs. Now, being that these trips are surrounding you, staying where you are, I can't really show you a specific place to stay or go because hotels are going to vary from state to state and city to city. So my suggestion is that you use Google and you Google luxury hotels near me. And you should definitely come across some hotels that are going to be 5-star in your area. And so that would be the hotel that I would choose. And then from there, what I would do for a luxury staycation is, most of us, when we live in a city, we don't really do the things that tourists do. So this would be the perfect opportunity to see things that you've never seen before in your city, pick out some restaurants that you've always wanted to try and try those. Go to some museums, or even just go to the movie theater. Like, this is literally just supposed to be you getting out of your house if you choose to use the luxury hotel option. So this is you getting out of your house, but you're in the same city, but do things that you wouldn't normally do. Whatever you want to do that you haven't made time for before, make time specifically for this staycation to get a chance to do those things that you've been wanting to do for a long time. Again, the great part about a luxury staycation is that luxury is whatever you make it. Whatever you feel like is going to make you feel luxurious and is going to give you a happy space to just get away from the day-to-day in and outs that you go through on a day-to-day basis. Just make sure you do that. This pandemic is really hard on everyone. So I definitely know that people just need to get away. And I hope that you can use this video as an idea of what to do in your city for a luxury stay vacation. Hopefully you've gotten some great pointers from this video. If you have, please don't forget to come back each and every Wednesday and Saturday as we have new content available. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Until next time, guys. See you later.